Every day you hear a lot of rubbish about how to make money online. Some claims even insult your intelligence. This one app will make dollar bills fall from the sky, press this button for full-time income, replace your salary in 5 minutes per day. Sound familiar? Even though some of these methods sometimes work, they don't often live up to the hype. Consistent income doesn't come from a single loophole or hack. If it did, everyone would be rich. Hey, this is Glyn here, and in this quick message, I'll cover exactly what you need to make consistent online profits. You'll also see how million-dollar marketers are using these exact methods. Now, I'm not going to BS you and say I'm making millions, but after 7 years marketing online, I do a comfortable 6 figures per year, mainly by list building, selling and promoting products. There've been some expensive lessons along the way. These taught me that you need 3 important things for consistent profits: traffic, an email list, and your own products. That last one's the scariest, but funnily it's also the easiest, and if done right, it completely takes care of your traffic and list building. Top marketers use simple products like ebooks, reports, and cheat sheets to drive business. Ryan Deiss, founder of Digital Marketer, a company with over $10 million in recurring annual revenues, uses ebooks for traffic, leads, and profits. Pat Flynn, a top blogger and affiliate marketer, uses ebooks to grow his list. His latest income report shows he made over $2 million in the past 12 months, while Neil Patel, founder of multiple digital companies, drives leads and traffic with free reports and takes home over 7 figures every year. I tried creating reports like these myself and found it wasn't cheap or easy. Successful ebooks need to offer info people actually want or need, have amazing design, and be promoted effectively. When you get those things right, ebooks become a building block that literally grows your business for you with 0 extra effort. They can drive free viral traffic, they can make you hands-free commissions from affiliate offers, you can sell them as premium products and keep 100% of the profits. You can even include them as part of sales funnels and membership sites for recurring income. Bottom line, ebooks are assets that can make you profits 24/7 completely passively, because once created, you don't have to do a thing. The traffic, leads, and income just keep coming in. The problem is creating them in the first place. I don't like research, I hate writing, and don't like spending my weekends creating promo and delivery pages. So I'd spend hundreds to thousands on specialists to create each ebook for me. Fed up, I asked my development team to create a software that automates the process from start to finish. It took several months and a lot of money, but they came through. And now there's a software that creates, designs, and promotes done-for-you ebooks that look as slick as the ones built by 8-figure marketers in less than 5 minutes. Welcome to DigiProduct Lab. This cloud-based software creates your building blocks, stunning ebooks, and reports for a consistent source of free traffic, leads, and profits. Just enter a keyword to have a book made from scratch. The software will pull from a database of over 250,000 premium PLR articles for content. Even enter a website URL to legally scrape content from any website. Customize with your own content or mix and match in any combination for 100% unique ebooks made for you in minutes. DigiProduct Lab includes a powerful e-cover generator, giving you stunning covers with point-and-click ease for a pro look that maximizes traffic, clicks, and sales. To get results your ebooks need exposure, DigiProduct Lab has you covered. Choose from dozens of built-in, top-converting landing pages to promote your ebooks across platforms. Add your autoresponder of your choice to build your list, and even get a pre-built thank you page that delivers your ebooks to your new subscribers. And every page is hosted for you on our premium servers, meaning there's 0 ongoing cost to grow your business. Included step-by-step training covers both the basics of using the software right through to maximizing your results with tips from 7-figure marketers. So whether you're brand new or an experienced marketer short on time, you'll be driving traffic, leads, and profits fast. During this initial launch, we've slashed the price to an extremely low one-time cost. This discount will not last long, so hurry to take advantage. You'll also take home multiple hand-picked bonuses available during launch week only to get even better results. To make sure you're thrilled, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try out DigiProduct Lab for yourself for a month, and if for any reason you're not happy, your money back. Look, If passive income is one of your goals and you realize it takes traffic, leads and products to get there, DigiProduct Lab is the answer by completely automating the process for you. See below for the details, check out the proof of results, then lock in your discounted one-time price for access now.